Hello students, welcome to Nirantara Vidyarthi. In this video, I am going to tell you how to meditate with open eyes. Generally, we do meditation by closing our eyes. When we observe any visual regarding meditation, we will find the eyes are closed. Eyes are one of our five senses. Every day we see many things with our eyes. Our eyes send all this visual data to our brain. In this data, some things are pleasant to us, some things are unpleasant, and some things make us emotional. Different feelings and emotions will arise in us. These feelings and emotions disturb our minds and make us difficult to concentrate. As a result, our meditation will be disturbed. Closing our eyes while doing meditation helps us to avoid all these disturbances and helps us to concentrate better. That's why the eyes are closed while doing the meditation. Should we do meditation only by closing our eyes? Why don't we do meditation with open eyes? These questions were born in me one day. After that, I started practicing meditation with open eyes. After some days of practice, I was able to meditate with open eyes. I want to share my experience with you, and I am going to tell you how to do meditation with open eyes. Let's take an object now and put it on a table or any hard surface. We should place the object in such a way that it should be at eye level when we look at it. It shouldn't move and it must be stable. Now we sit exactly opposite to the object and watch it carefully. While doing this, we shouldn't think about its features like name, size, color, etc. We should only watch the object with full consciousness for some time. After some time, we acquire and feel the stillness of the object. Then we become as still as the object. In that state, our body and mind will become still and we don't get any thoughts or feelings. At that moment, we are only experiencing the stillness of the object. If we can stay for some more time in that state, we will go into a trance. If we can continue to stay even further, we will reach the state of samadhi. In that state, we connect to the universe or the cosmos and we like to stay more time in that state. To reach this state, for some people it takes 30 minutes, for some people it may take 1 hour, for some others it may take 5 hours, and some people may not experience this state at all. How we reach that state, how much time does it take to reach that state, whether we reach that state or not, if yes, how much time we can stay in that state, all this depend upon our concentration. The beginners who have been doing meditation for only a few days or months find it difficult to concentrate on doing meditation with open eyes. The people who have been doing meditation for some years can try this open eyes meditation. Even beginners also can do open eyes meditation with great practice and concentration. This is the video, students, about how to do meditation with open eyes. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and the people you know. To watch more educational and informational videos like this, please subscribe our channel Nirantara Vidyarthi. Thanks for watching the video.